Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install a RAM module into the laptop. Well, the laptop which I am using is a Dell Latitude 5400 and I will be installing a 16 GB RAM. The RAM which I bought it is of Crucial and the specs are DDR4-3200 SODIMM. If you're looking to upgrade your laptop's performance or wondering how to choose the right RAM for your laptop, stick around and this video is for you. First, let's talk about why upgrading RAM is important. More RAM can significantly enhance your laptop's multitasking capabilities and improve its overall performance, especially when running heavy software or multiple applications. One of the challenges I faced was finding the correct RAM for my Dell Latitude 5400. After some research, I discovered the Crucial's website, which offers a free scan tool to check your laptop's compatibility. I leave the link in the description below so you can check it for yourself. For my laptop, I started with the 8 GB of RAM, which had a performance score of 208. Now, let's see how much this score improves after the upgrade to 16 GB RAM. Before we start, here's what you'll need. You'll need a screwdriver, preferably a Phillips head. The one I'm using comes for 75 mm. The new RAM will make sure the power is off of your laptop and you disconnect all cables before proceeding. Well, the battery percentage of my laptop is less than 30%. Make sure your battery is less than 30%. Flip over your laptop over and remove the back cover using the screwdriver. Well, you can see the screwdrivers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I think yes 7. Let's unscrew them quickly. I have unscrewed the 8 screws and there are clips on the edges, so I have removed the clips with the help of this slim thing. Once you have removed the clips, you can remove the flip cover and keep it aside. Well, you can also remove the screws of the battery before you remove the RAM. In my case, the battery is already less than 30%, so I am not going to remove the battery for now. You can see the RAM over here. I'll zoom it for you. Here is the RAM. Locate the RAM slot. It's usually covered by a small shield or it's easily visible. Carefully remove the existing RAM by releasing the clips on either side. Take the new RAM. And align the notch with the slot. Insert it in an angle and gently press down until the clips click into the place. Please be careful when you insert the RAM. Do you see this slot over here? This should exactly match over here. That's it. Well, another thing, if you have another RAM which you wanna place over here, then this is the slot B. You can place another RAM of your desired size, whether 8 GB, 16, and you can insert it over here. The procedure is the same. You just need to remove the clips, remove the old RAM, and you have to put the new RAM inside and just gently press it. The clips will reattach it automatically. Once you have inserted the RAM, then you can screw it again. The screws won't come outside, so please don't try to remove these screws.
After installation,
I'll run the same scan tool to check the RAM score. I'll share my results in the comment section. If you're upgrading a laptop, I encourage you to do the same and let us know your RAM score in the comments. There you go. Memory installed 16,384 MB. Memory available 16,245 MB. That means our RAM is correctly installed and the second slot, the B, is empty currently. I will run the same scan tool to check the updated RAM score on the Crucial website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing this channel. Don't forget to check out the screen scan tool link in the description to find out right RAM for your laptop. Have any questions or need help? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. See you in the next video.